First video of this, or I can say part also, I accidentally removed some codings to another place. So now I have fixed it. You can see it right now. It works now. So let's continue showing how to make this. So I was on when I received check valid moves. This is the coding of it. You can stop the video and copy the scripts, or you can take screenshots. So now let's do generate buttons. You can see these generate buttons. Let's do the. Where is it? This is so glitchy, bro. When I didn't show track mouse position, or I did, I don't know. Tell me in the comments that I did or not in the first part of this. Let's do check timer first. So where is check timer? This is the check timer. This is the coding of check timer. So guys, my mobile battery is now come. So let's see you in the part 3. Bye.